What is this?
Monkey.
Okay, monkey is eating banana. Hello. Let's do some puzzle of these animals, okay? Now, what is this?
Come on.
Where does it go? Camel. Camel lives in the desert. And what is that?
Zebra.
Okay, put the zebra in its place. Yeah. What is that?
Elephant.
It's a pink elephant?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. It's a pink elephant.
Pink elephant. I'll drink
Okay.
water.
Yes, the elephant is drinking water. And next.
Monkey.
Okay, monkey is eating banana. Next. What is this? Hippo. The hippo is smiling. And next. What is this? Can you put it back? What is this?
Warning.
Roar. What is this?
Camel.
Huh? It's a deer.
Deer.
And what is this?
Tiger.
Crocodile. Look at his teeth. What is this?
Water.
It's a rhino.
Rhino.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, we did it.
Yay.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.